Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make yogurt parmesan dressing. For this recipe you would need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, some parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and black pepper to taste. In a bowl add yogurt, olive oil, honey, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, and some Parmesan cheese. Mix well. When done, you can add on top of a salad. I will have the recipe to a salad in the description box below as well as in the icon above. You can also store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container or jar for up to 1 week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now.